In this video, we're going to learn how to add and manage photos or site sketches within PebbleGeo, and then how to publish them out to the logs in a couple of different ways. With the project loaded, click on the location that you want to add the photos to. When the location is clicked, you'll get a location summary in the panel on the right. And towards the top right of this panel, there'll be a button or hyperlink labeled Add Manage Photos. Click on this to open the photo editor. Right now we have no photos or images attached to BH109. We need to click Add Image to start adding our photographs. A small informational panel will be displayed explaining what happens to the images. We'll skip over this for now because we'll see what happens to these as we go through the demo. This will open a file chooser, and I've got pre-prepared here just some JPEG images that I use as demo data. So if I add site photo 1, at the moment I can only add one photo at a time using this tool. The photo will be loaded. I've got the project folder open on the left hand side here, and you can see that the photo image has been pulled in and given a special name prefixed with BH109. It's important to understand that when PebbleGeo adds a photo to the project, it always takes a copy and doesn't affect the original image. Let's add some more images to this BH109 location. Okay, so now we've got 4 photos in here, and in theory you can add as many as you like. What you might find if you've taken photos using a phone camera, or particularly a phone camera like an iPhone, is that if you've taken the photo in portrait mode, it will come up in PebbleGeo rotated 90 degrees. This is a common problem that we can't fix in the file itself, but we have added a rotate button to each image within the photo manager that you can use to rotate and reorient the image until you're happy with it. You can also change the order of the images. So if you import them in the wrong order, let's say we want to put this guy as the first image, we can use the move up button to move him up in the sequence. And there's also a move down button that we can use in the same way. Once we're happy with that, just close the panel. And let's publish this location and see how it looks. Within here, you can see a checkbox for Include Photos. This is switched on by default. So let's click Save and see how those logs look. Scrolling down, we've got the log, the supplementary info, and then the photo page. So by default, there'll be one photo per page, and they'll be in the order that you decided to manage them in the management panel. There's a second option. So if we republish this, here there's an additional checkbox, 4x photos per page. So if you don't want one page per photo, you can arrange up to 4 on each page. Scroll back through again, and with a bit of luck, we've now got all 4 on the one page.